Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we're going to see the basic, that is what is anomaly detection in machine learning. So it's one of the topic where it's relevant to the concept of data science, data mining also. So here to see what is anomaly detection. So one of the familiar topic today, and theoretically we'll get some knowledge. The scope of session today. So here anomaly detection we can say is a process of identifying unexpected items or events in data sets which differ from the normal. And also we can say any process that finds the outliers of the data sets. And also we can say point to unusual network traffic. And moreover, today in enterprise IT, anomaly detection is commonly used for what means data cleaning, intrusion detection, fraud detection, system health monitoring, even detection in sensor networks also. So there will be a lot of real-time example can say. One example you can say I want to convey here. That is, suppose I have idea about TV. I'm purchasing the LED TV through online, but through e-commerce. But unfortunately, instead of TV, I'm getting laptop. So that's the problem we are facing today. So the entire world consists of lot of big data, or I can say lot of data. The data should be inaccurate. That means whenever we order the right product, we get the same product only. One more real example you can say here. Let's say example. Here, let's say I'm assume that I'm CEO of the company. I want to give the salary for the employee every month. So let's assume that there is C grade employee. Their salary is using some highlight point here. Let's assume that I have a employee, some C grade employee. Their salary is how much means just 25,000 only. But instead of that, some problem happening that is called anomaly. That means the C grade employees start to get 25,000, 35,000, 45,000, so on. So now what can I do? What we can do? That for solution we are going the concept machine learning. That you can say why today people are moving to the concept. Why people are jumping to the concept of machine learning? Because here what we can do means we can write a shell script with the shell script program with the if condition. The if condition, if the C grade, the actual salary is 25,000. So if you get the right the condition, what will happen? Every employee you get the right time the salary of the 25,000 only, instead of getting 35, 45 and so on and so on. So if you want to give the employee salary in proper manner, we can go for the machine learning concept. Moreover, we can train the model whereas the input of last 2 years or 5 years salary information and so on and so on, and train the model with the help of intelligence. So at last when you go for that, we can avoid the anomaly here. So I hope that you understand what is anomaly detection. That means anomaly detection is detection which vary whenever go for which vary from others. That's a point. That's the thing you have to remember about the anomaly detection. If you have queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media, social media network. And also, if you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.